Hi, I'm Srinivas, and I'm the founder of Place.co. So very recently, we had expanded to a few other cities,
Okay.
and there we and obviously when you enter a new region or a new city, there are new
Right.
challenges that come. Or and the thing is, we wanted to focus more on the conversions into those particular cities, and which is how I landed up meeting Vipul sir, and I discussed with Vipul sir about what we are looking at and what we really want to achieve. So in my entire process, till I reached Vipul sir, I went on a lot of online master classes and online other YouTube videos probably, or other paid webinars. And then I realized that whatever they were teaching, although it was good, but it was taught on a very general basis, right? And I personally believe that every business is very different in nature, and it needs to reach out to their consumers in a very different way, and every consumer is going to react to your business in a very different way. So I specifically wanted strategies and wanted to learn more about Facebook Ads Manager for my business.
With
And when I
one-to-one
met Vipul
personal
sir,
teaching.
yeah. So when I
Yeah,
met
you got here. One-to-one means for only specific for your problem. Okay.
Yes. So
Right.
when I met Vipul sir, I discussed the entire thing with him. And the best thing here is that after he got to know about our business, so he gave a very personalized one-on-one session, making us go through what we can do different in order to achieve the targets or goals that we wanted to achieve as a business. So right from the strategies, right from what the primary text should be, or what the headline should be, or how your creative should be. We did a lot of trial and errors. We did a lot of experimentation with the interests, with the creatives, and we also did multiple ad sets and tried using different creatives with different interests just to get optimum results. Another advantage I feel with this one-on-one interaction is that whenever you get stuck anywhere while you're performing a particular ad or anything with the Facebook ads, it was easier for me to reach Vipul
Direct,
sir.
just you just dial one number, but just call
Yes,
me
yes. So
and I
it was
can
just
instantly I will help you. Otherwise,
yes,
others
yes.
in somewhere ऐसा होता है कि जैसे कि आप एक मेल टाइप करो और रिप्लाई मेल में आता है
Hmm.
और आपको 24 घंटे के बाद टाइम मिलता है थोड़ा, यहाँ ऐसा नहीं है कि
Correct.
डायरेक्टली यू कैन कनेक्ट.
Correct. See, I mean, the thing is, so for me, it was very easier because understanding that being an entrepreneur, I did not really have a specific time to really sit for a particular class. So whenever I had some time, so Vipul sir was just a WhatsApp message away. So whenever I used to WhatsApp him, we used to decide on a time, and we used to sit on a particular class. And another different thing about us was that our case was very unique,
राइट.
because it's a new concept,
न्यू
and there were
कॉन्सेप्ट.
certain challenges that we were also facing as a business, and not just about the strategies, but Vipul sir also helped us tackling those other challenges as well. And I feel the advantage of having a one-on-one session is that you can, rather than in rest of the seminars or whatever, rest of the sessions that you would probably do elsewhere, you probably have to write in an email or whatever. So because there is a personal connect to whatever we are
मतलब
learning.
अदर क्लासेस में आपको ईमेल करना पड़ता है, अगर कोई सपोर्ट चाहिए तो.
Correct. So
यहाँ
I
पे
was, yeah.
ऐसा डायरेक्टली जस्ट वेदर वेदर यू आर स्टक की कोई भी कंडीशन में आप स्टक हो रहे हैं तो सीधा एक कॉल करो और आई कैन हेल्प यू.
Yes. So I mean, so there was no formal process in reaching out to Pulsar. So I just had to, like I said, I just had to WhatsApp him, and he was just available. We used to decide on a time,
और
and we used to.
मेन चीज भी यही, बस यही होती है, मेन चीज सपोर्ट ही मेन होता है. जैसे स्टडी तो आप कर लो कि कहीं पे भी रिकॉर्डिंग को, लेकिन आप स्टक कहाँ पे हो रहे हो और सीधा आपको हेल्प मिल जाए. आपको लगे कि नहीं भी ये बंदा है मेरे पास 6 महीने, साल भर, 2 साल तक तो मैं आपको हेल्प मांगता रहूंगा और ये है बंदा मेरे पास बराबर, तो यार आपको कॉन्फिडेंस
Yeah.
रहता
So
है कि हाँ भाई
yes,
नो
yes.
इश्यू चलो.
Yeah. See, with these personalized sessions with Vipul sir, I mean, I was assured that. even after the course gets over, see,
Hmm.
after probably that's 12 14 sessions that we would be having. So I was assured that he would be helping me out even later, which he
Hmm.
did. Even right now, like I said, our case was very unique and there were
Hmm.
certain other
Right.
business challenges as well. So yes, I would recommend you to please get in touch with Vipul sir and discuss your business with him. He would understand what your business is and try his level best to come up with strategies which are
Hmm.
suitable for your business and which are
Hmm.
not a very generalized
Hmm. मतलब अदर
ads.
क्लासेस में आपको मतलब जनरल बातें होती है, वहां पे अटेंशन नहीं होता आपके पर्सनल में आप।
Correct, correct.
Right. ठीक। तो
Yeah, so
ये है।
elsewhere, like I said, I mean, like I said, so every business is unique and you need to have a very personalized strategies for Facebook ads for your business.
हम्म।
And I feel with Vipul sir, you would get that a very
हम्म।
very personal attention, personal strategies, and new ways of reaching out to your target audience in
हम्म।
order for your business to generate sales, and more importantly the goals that you want to achieve
हम्म।
for your brand.
हम्म। Okay, so
Yes, sir.
thank you very much, Srinivasan जी. That's and my help, my support हमेशा के लिए आपके पास है। आप जब भी आपको कभी ये प्रोग्राम तो हमारा कंप्लीट हो चुका है, लेकिन whenever you start, whenever you problem, just one call and I'm with you. Thank you.
Absolutely, absolutely.